Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over on Liverpool Road in Irlam with this fabulous 2-bedroom terrace property. You've got a spacious garden to the front, amenities just on your doorstep, just a short walk across the road. You've got the Tesco Express straight in through the entrance hallway into this fabulous open plan living space. It's got the bay fronted lounge, a beautiful panelling in the first half of the room, open plan with the formal dining space, and then seamlessly flowing on to the kitchen. Storage tucked away beneath the stairs. Now these current vendors have been here since 2021 and they purchased the property fully renovated. The space for your appliances there, both a washing machine and tumble dryer. Plenty of units. Storage just tucked away. As I mentioned, there is also a dishwasher as well. Low maintenance rear garden. As we come out, raised decked area, and there is also off-road parking as well as a garage just to the right of the property here, which can be accessed off Silver Street. And then as we continue back into the property and head to the first floor, we've got two fabulous double bedrooms along with a stunning modern 4-piece bathroom suite. And then the property does continue to the second floor with a fully converted loft space. Fabulous versatile room, whatever your needs are. Some have previously used it as a bedroom. It's a fabulous gaming space, maybe office space for those that work from home. This lovely bathroom as you come to the top of the stairs, nice and bright. The second double, and then just tucked away a little dressing area under here, which is the stairs into the loft space. Nice spacious hallway and into this fabulous master bedroom. Floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes, as you can see here. And then continuing up once more into this loft space. So it's complete with a radiator. You've got the window, there's power and storage tucked away also. It's a fantastic space. As mentioned, you can fit a double bed in here for those that would want to use it as a bedroom. Nice playing area for the kids, or an office or gaming area. Now location wise, we are over on Liverpool Road in Irlam, which is excellently located in regards to your amenities. The shop's just across the road. As I mentioned, you are well served by public transport links and just a short drive to Warrington as well as the Trafford Centre. It's a perfect first time purchase, or maybe even a family that are now wanting an additional bedroom. So if you'd like to come and book your viewing, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.